Home-based cardio workouts. Home-based cardio workouts are about exercises taken at home with ease and without much trouble. Cardio workouts are normally done by the people to attain the weight loss situation. Cardio program relates to the removal of unnecessary fat from around the body parts. It also involves the burning of extra energy from the body. The home-based cardio workouts are normally the lightweight exercises that don't involve much of the muscle building and thus the need for a physician or a trainer is no more here, as the workouts are aimed at the physical fitness only and a little bit of muscle building or the fat burning. The machines, dumbbells, weights, etc. are not needed in this type of exercises. Some of the home-based cardio workouts include long slow distance workouts (LSD). These cardio workouts are meant for the home-based cardio program workouts. A person exercising this way may continue this low-intensity exercise for a long time without fatiguing his body muscles. The LSD workouts have great advantages in increasing your aerobic fitness, stamina, hemoglobin concentration, aerobic enzymes and the oxygen carrying capability of the blood vessels involved. Tempo workouts are also a way to move towards anaerobic exercises. Froggy jumps may be used to increase the lower body power and burns the calories there. This cardio workout is meant for the people who want to give a bit greater intensity to their workouts. Squat thrust is a tough exercise to get the heart rate in short interval of time. It's better to use this workout to enhance the power of your lungs, body, and stamina. Squat jumps are another exercise at home that you can do without any problems. It gives strength to our joints and increases the heart rate. Side-to-side jumping lunges may also be used as a home-based cardio workout. It will give strength to the joints of your arms and legs. Long jump is another way of doing cardio workouts at home. This forward jumping exercise will give strength to your leg muscles and joints. To keep the move safe, you should land softly with your knees, calmness and conformity. The home-based cardio program workouts are meant for the overall better fitness of the body, and it includes such exercises that relieve men from various problems like the fats burning, muscle building, the slackness to move, etc. The home-based cardio workouts let us feel complete calmness and balance in our body, and muscles are in complete harmony with our mind. We don't get fatigued and things remain in our control by the home-based cardio workouts.